right. Hodl, hodl, hodl. Save, save, save. Build a. Sound money, sound money.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. This is a public show, and we've got Kurt
Knut.
Knut.
Good
Knut.
effort. It was a good effort,
So,
I think.
and I never get the last name right, but it's Knut here, and he's the author of at least two books and lots of articles. I mean, I've quoted him a lot. Now, where's the book? I had it up here.
It's right here.
Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, Sovereignty Through Mathematics, which is going to be part of our, I think that's what we've got for our starter kit that's coming. And but the big thing is he's going to be a conference speaker. And at the Bitcoin Standard Conference, bitcoinstandardconference.com, this is the first time we've opened it up beyond our members. Okay?
Yeah, we should probably run through a little bit of what we're talking
Yeah,
about.
what we're talking about, but we can go to the website and the thing is, we want to do this with Knut because he lives in Sweden, and we want the European audience. We're going to actually get Giacomo and also Joachim Book will hopefully be on in the morning, but we want to encourage as many Europeans. We want to offer to Europeans and Latin America first because we'll fill it up with the Californians and Mexicans and so forth. That's not going to be a problem. But we want you guys. This is going to be sold out. We've only got 50 tickets available. Hopefully it will open up and there'll be another 100 available, but it's not now. If we open it up, the price will be going up.
There's nothing for definite right now.
Yeah, nothing for definite right now. But that's why Knut, and I don't know if you've had a chance to look over the, we kind of have a rough, we want to switch from speakers to panels, and so we are still open to what we want on these panels, and you might look and see what panel you would prefer. We'll put you on at least one panel, maybe two or three. We'll just see.
Right, you're skipping ahead again.
Oh.
Let people know what we're talking about.
Okay, there it is, the Bitcoin Standard Conference. April 12th through the 15th.
August. Again,
Well,
good effort. Good effort.
Sorry, April, the other August.
The other April.
Okay, the other April. So, and you want to scroll down, we've got workshops by Giacomo, okay, and by Jimmy Song. Jimmy Song's got his programming Bitcoin, and Giacomo has running Bitcoin, 2-day seminar. So you got to get there. That's the 10th and the 11th. And then the carnivory dinner is the evening of the 11th, okay? And then the following day, we start the conference on the 12th and the 13th. And hopefully we're going to have a lot more speakers coming. I'm pretty sure we will. And hopefully it'll open up a lot more. There's the hotel we're going to be at. And then the next part is we have a Wrecked But Not Ruined adventure tour. And it's going to be an adventure tour. We're going to go to a Horsepower Ranch.
It's going to be a wind down from the conference.
Yeah.
It's not going to be any
it's kind of
talks or anything.
Yeah.
It's going to be all fun and games.
All fun and games, and yeah, we're going to be riding those machines you see there and stirring up the dust. And then it's all over Sunday morning. You'll leave and go back home.
Right.
Or you can stay in Ensenada, too. It's fine here. It's a great place to live. We love it down here. And great. It's kind of a family open event, too.
We've got another thing as well.
A what?
Another thing.
Okay.
That's why
Oh, yeah.
That's actually why we have our special guest in the middle.
This is a special guest. We're getting these bust-made sculpture. We're actually going to have an in-house sculpture moving down here in a month. We got this in the mail. They have them done in bronze now. We got Saifedean. Saifedean saw it. He's really happy with it. Hopefully, he can't make it, but you know what? He just might change his mind. Yeah, it's really good work, and he really liked the bust we did on him. So I'm pretty sure we'll at least have him appearing remotely, if not in person. You know, you never know. If we promote this right, people are going to be pounding down our door trying to get in because it's going to be. We're going to make this the best event of 2021 by far. Nothing's going to compare to it.
Boom.
Oh, they'll have bigger ones. Like this Miami thing's supposed to be really big.
That Miami thing looks huge.
But this is going to be very intimate. This is all, this is Bitcoin, and it's just going to be a great conference.
Right.
So what are you up to, Knut? What? Go to the conference schedule and see which one of these topics interests you. Anyway, I don't. We haven't put anybody down on any of them yet.
I think Thank God for Bitcoin has some.
Yeah, thank God for. I want to be on that one. Jimmy Song, Bitcoin Rabbi, he's going to be on that one. He was going to come, and then he's got a family thing that came up. He can't, but he says he'd sure like to appear remotely, so we'll have him. I think that we've got a couple more of the authors coming from Thank God Bitcoin, so they'll be on there. And I don't know, Knut, you might want to be on that. You might give us the heathen point of view.
You sure?
Huh?
You sure you want the financial atheism on the Thank God for Bitcoin?
Yeah, of course, it wouldn't be fair without it.
The opposing view.
So let's go. Let's look at some of the other topics.
I still want to be friends with you guys when I leave this.
Well, I think we all get along. That's kind of the cool thing about Bitcoiners. We're really tolerant and we have a sense of humor. It's the people that don't like us that throw stones, call names, and they react severely when we call them out for what they are. So scroll down. Let's look at the next day. Oh, well, you can look at have one. That's the following day, but let's scroll down and so we can look at the next topic. The difference between Bitcoin and the Bitcoin standard. Again, these can be changed, but these are kind of some things that I thought were good. Building on the Bitcoin standard, I definitely want to be on that one. Building on the Bitcoin standard. Showcase of financial services on the Bitcoin standard. So we've got that limited just to 5.
That's sort of your little
pet
I'm
going to be
project.
working. Yeah, I've got to work on that. And what is the future of Bitcoin banking? Boy, I tell you, all these I like to be on the panel. So scroll up, and how to use Bitcoin as your treasury. And that wording comes from Michael Saylor, because I love that. And it's exactly what I teach guys. Build a, save. HODL, save, and build a. You have to have a HODL, that's your treasury. And then you reward yourself because it's going to go up in value. And then you use it as collateral to build new and better things. The politics of the Bitcoin standard. Oh, that's a big one. What is competition in currencies? And will Bitcoin become a world reserve currency?
Yeah, those two, like, will Bitcoin become a world reserve currency, and what is the politics of Bitcoin? Those are two that I'm interested in.
Okay, we'll put it down.
Right.
That sounds good. Yeah, it's going to be a good one because I'm taking the opposite side. If I'm on that one, I don't think it's become a world reserve currency. That's my view, but I think, but I do think it acts as a great governor. I mean, the study that I've done, I think Hayek probably nailed it, and he says that, at least starting out, it's just going to be a competition with government fiat. And I think that's where it is now. We're seeing, and that's going to grow exponentially. I think the more and more these financial services that we can collateralize businesses and other assets using Bitcoin as your collateral. Michael Saylor says, he just bought some more Bitcoin. He says, I'm not selling not one Satoshi, but he's not telling us that he's not using it. He says, yeah, you use it for collateral. And then he actually made an analogy. Some of the old wealth, like in New York City, their great-great-grandparents owned 3 blocks next to Central Park, and they still own it, okay? But they just refinance it. Yeah. So.
Yeah, he was pretty brazen about ways to use.
Yeah.
Use Bitcoin.
So what do you think about all the dialogue that's going on in this big old crash we had last night? You got any thoughts?
I love it. Of course. The cheap sats, Don't we love dips?
Yeah, I don't think it's going to.
We love dips.
I don't think it's going to stay down here very long. That's my opinion, but we'll see. I think it's going to pop up real fast this time. Last year, it took a whole year to pop up. This time, people are going to wake up. I think that's going to be a spike.
Yeah. Look back at 2017.
Yeah.
There were like 3 or 4 of these 30-40% drops that happened in the middle of the bull run.
Yeah,
And
right.
now when you zoom out, you can't even see them because
Yeah,
they
you
have
can't even
No.
see them. Agreed.
I'm
That's
looking at 'em right
one of
now.
those. It's not the 2017 top because we just started. We just broke out, and people that follow me, look, I ran $5,000 into $1,700,000 last year. I haven't made anything this year yet. Well, I made my net worth has doubled, but not trading.
That's where we are.
Yeah, and so that's where we are. This thing should
Yeah.
just bounce right back and be in all-time highs again. I think this is a spike down. I think it might just blow people away how fast it comes back up. We'll see. We don't know. Nobody knows. I certainly don't know. So
Well, one BTC will equal one BTC. We know that.
exactly.
That's all we know.
So yeah, and we get more Bitcoin now.
Regardless of the
Because
time frame.
on this dip, we get more Bitcoin if they sign up for the conference. We weren't hardly getting any Bitcoin before.
No, we're kind of dollar cost averaging
Yeah.
our way through the tickets right now.
Yeah.
Mm.
All right.
So we're putting the tickets on public sale. That was really the announcement that we're.
Yes.
sort of
Well,
making.
public sale, as long as you can't just log in. If you log in and try and buy a ticket, if you don't have an affiliate code, you can't even get in.
Right. Right.
So
now you
I'm
can't.
not promoting everybody. That's all the speakers. Incidentally, that's a member benefit. Guys that subscribe to my newsletter, they have an affiliate code. So if they invite their friends, they can sign up with their affiliate. Of course, all the speakers have an affiliate code. So what we're doing is we just want to build an internal network of financial, Bitcoin finances, and this is one way you can build your hodl a little bit. And we want Knut. I'm not paying these guys. I can't believe how cheap these guys work.
Very symbolic.
They really do. So
We're martyrs.
And Bitcoiners. So money is on top of the
well,
list
you
right
got to
now.
do it. That's what people don't understand. You got to, this all comes from the heart. And, part of my building, guys, if you remember, it's a great story because it was a year ago, 2000, what was that, 18, I decided to build the website.
Right.
And that's when Bitcoin was $3,500. And I used 10 Bitcoin, which was $35,000, and started this silly thing. And now we're doing trying to do a major conference. We built this whole studio. We're getting all kinds of equipment. We're gonna have a whole nother house we're clearing out and working on. I'd say we'll just see where it goes. We got this sculpture, in-house sculpture.
Got a lot of things
where's-
going on.
Where's my bust?
You gotta.
You gotta
You
win the
gotta
award
really
first.
start writing more books, or you gotta die. If you, if
Well, I'm
you
planning on
pass
it.
on, we might just throw you in there. It was kind of hands down in 2019. Because Tyler he was a keynote speaker at the Working Man's Bitcoin Cruise, and then there he goes, and so. Socrates spoke on his behalf, and it was a great conference. And so we do have a little bit of conference experience. We actually did a cruise, but this is a whole nother dimension, a whole nother level. And
You it is, yeah.
yeah, hopefully it's just the beginning because we're going to put together. It's going to be quite a show, quite an event, lots of enthusiasm, and hopefully, it'll be a lot of fun, a little bit of danger, but hopefully you'll just get wrecked and not ruined. It's okay to get wrecked, guys. You just don't want to get ruined. You
Them's
never
the
risk
rules.
more than a small part of your huddle, no matter what it is. And all right. Well, that's it. We just wanted to keep it short. We wanted to invite people to, if you know Knut, you've read his books, you appreciate his work, come to the conference, use his referral code, get 15% off.
You find the referral code in
It's
the description below.
$950 for the conference, $950 for the adventure tour, $300 for the Canary. You get the whole package for $19.95
That's
until we sell it out, and then it's going to go up. If we can open it up, and we're hoping we can, it's up to the regulators down here. We open it up, and the price will increase to $24.95 or $2,500, and that's what. But so, if you're going to come, get your ticket now. We want as many Europeans over here in Ensenada, Mexico. If you don't want to know where Ensenada is, we're in the Baja, which is that not little, it's a big old long peninsula that comes down the side of Mexico, and it's Pacific Ocean's on one side, the Sea of Cortez is on the other. San Diego is right north of the border. Incidentally, we will pick you up if you fly into Tijuana. We will be picking up everyone that flies into Tijuana. We'll have a shuttle service. I might even be the guy picking you up. You never know, because we got the goat lady just bought a new Escalade, and that's part of what that's for. So, but I'm taking my Bronco or the Jeep. So, at any rate.
Yeah. Well, I personally can't wait for the conference to begin.
You're going to Florida though, too, right? Are you going to Florida?
No.
I mean, you're not going to Miami? I thought you were.
It was too much of a hassle to get the work visa.
This is going to be a whole lot more fun anyway. I guarantee you.
Yeah.
We may not have the big crowd, but I'll tell you what, and it's going to be very intimate, and I think it'll be a lot more. I think because mainly it's mainly just networking and panels. That's what we want.
And this is going to kick off, be a great start to my all-in on Bitcoin career now, because I quit my day job. And,
really?
Well, congratulations.
Yeah. So it's directly after this conference, I'll be driving down to Spain, and we're going to move into our house there with the family.
Nice.
And I'll be based in Spain instead of Sweden, and I'm going to go all in on Bitcoin and writing and doing whatever comes to mind and whatever inspires me.
Well, you're doing some good work, man. You really are. So.
Thank you.
Like I say, I was introduced to you. I remember I quoted you one of your articles, and you said, "Well, I wasn't even going to give up. I gave up on writing," and I hope it was because when I published that thing, you said, "Yeah, I think I'll start writing again." I think that's when you started writing again. Hit the. I think it's under Hayek. Look under Medium Hayek. Oh, there it is. Okay. Oh, you got audio books.
This was a long time ago.
Are you reading? Do you read your own audiobooks, or is it read professionally for you? How does that work?
Guy Swan reads them.
Guy Swan, okay.
Yeah, he reads all the Bitcoin books.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Did we invite him?
Yeah, we did.
I don't know if he said no
I think
or
he
yes.
did. Yeah. He's looking at.
You have to know who it is,
schedule.
right?
Okay, huh?
You have to know who it is. Yeah. The guy that has read more about Bitcoin than anyone else.
Yeah, exactly.
He reads all the articles and all the books.
Really?
He's doing some great work, and he has a perfect voice for it. Too.
Where's he from? Where's he live?
East Coast, U.S. somewhere.
All right.
Yep.
Well, that'd be great if he comes in. I think we're going to get more and more speakers. I mean, it's going to get to the point where, we're just saying, that's it. We can't handle any more, and that's what we want. Put up the article that I wrote, because I think it's the first time I do Bitcoin is the standard according to F.A. Hayek. I think that was the first time I found you. It was.
No, Hayek said they won't give it to us. We have to invent our own money before the people will get it back, or something like that.
Yeah. Okay. Scroll down. There. Scroll down. Not there. Keep going. There it is. Back. Bitcoin Maximus is a non sequitur. I couldn't remember what the title of it was. That was so great.
Yeah.
So and then you hadn't written for a while, and put down one more. There's the
there
article.
it is.
Yeah, there it is.
And there's
Oh, that's dissect up one more. I guess it's up. Up. There it is. Hit that Hacker Noon article.
Oh, this was
still
Where
there.
is this from? 2018.
Yeah, 2018. So, gosh, that's 3 years now we've known each other.
Time flies in Bitcoin land.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah,
It's not fair to have this much fun, is it?
Time flies and it stands still at the same time in Bitcoin.
Very true.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, if we're going to be doing this again in the morning, so if something falls apart on your other meeting, you're sure free to join us. But I'm so glad you came on tonight. And it's like I say, it's the first time that we're actually offering. If you want to come to the conference, you want to support Knut's work, he's got a link there. You cannot log in. So you cannot buy a ticket unless you have an affiliate code. And, if you like Knut's work, just, support him by buying your ticket through his affiliate code. Right. And you get 15% off.
All right. I'll start promoting the code. And
go for it. It's stacking sats.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for staying up so late. I didn't realize it was that late out there.
No problem.
That's why nobody else could show up, because we had a deal just for our members so they can invite their people, and now we're going to do it for the speakers. Right. And but I got to get used to all these different time zones. So I'm hoping we get some people from, we're already got a lot of Europeans coming, but I hope that we have some people from Asia and Australia and Africa and all the rest of the world. We'll see.
Indeed.
All right.
All right.
Thanks, guys, for coming. Anything else? We need to cover anything else? You got anything you want to say, Knut?
No, just looking forward to the conference. This is the event of the year.
It is. It's going to be the event of the year. I mean, we guarantee it. Anybody that's come down here and gone for a ride with us in these buggies, I mean, just riding in the buggies is an event by itself. It really is.
It'll be good fun.
So.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. See you in August. Or
all right. Thanks for joining us.
We'll probably have a chat before that. But
I'm sure we will.
Anyway,
yep.
And
okay.
I'll try to get Joni Appleberg to tag along to the conference.
That'll be great. Yeah. He's got an invite. So, all right.
Yeah.
You bet.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Cheers.
We'll see you then.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
All right. Well, that worked well.
We're still alive.
Right.
Yeah. We're still live. Well, we keep going. Anything else you want to cover?
Are we done? Or
I need to go take a nap and take a shower. I was up. I traded. I was busy last night because of that market, and then I worked out, and I did eat a hamburger, but I need a shower and I need to take a nap.
All right. Sounds like we're done, guys. Nice chatting to you. See you next time. Bye, everyone.